Today I'm going to be sharing some spring tray vignettes. So let's go ahead and get started. I found these beautiful shamrock hydrangeas, perfect for March, at Trader Joe's, along with these beautiful florals. I have an assortment of items here that I'm going to be styling on my scalloped tray. I believe I found this tray at Home Goods. I have a variety of items here to show you different ways to style this tray. I have this little bunny picture on this cutting board. This is a DIY I did quite a while back. I will try to find the video if I can and link it below, but I thought paired with these little carrots from Walmart would be just a nice touch. Next, I have this gorgeous little painting my daughter got me for Christmas. I just added a Walmart frame to it. It's a beach picture with some sailboats in it, and I absolutely love it. I think it pairs very nicely with these gold bunnies from Target. Some ideas: you could put it on an end table like I've done here. I also put it on my shelf. I think this is where it's going to stay, and I'll show you some more pictures in a little bit. But I did want to go ahead and take those carrots once again and put them on with this picture and the pitcher and the flowers. I really should have turned it around the other way though. Lastly, we're going to do one more vignette here with the little bunny picture. Just by swapping out what you already have and changing it around, you can create whole new looks. You don't even have to go out and buy anything new if you don't want to. I'm playing with some ideas here with the tray, so stay tuned on that because that will be the next video that I have coming out. So I have this wooden round tray, and I've paired it with my blue vase that I just love from Hobby Lobby, these 3 pillar candles, and a bird setting on this wreath here. I love these together. I think they're so pretty, but I've also showed it to you like this with this other vase here, also from Hobby Lobby, and these knots. I do believe the knots are from Amazon. And this just gives it a totally different look, and I think I like this one the best. Lastly, I paired these with this sugar mold. Really, I just wanted to show you this idea of putting the eggs in the sugar mold along with the little napkin rings around them. This probably isn't my most favorite look, but I just wanted to show you that also. So this is my tray that I got from Decor Steals. This is new, and I'm really excited to have this. It works really well on my table because, as you can see, I have a narrow styled table. It's not a wide table at all, so I do have to be careful what I put in the middle as far as centerpieces go. So to this vase, I'm going to add my moss styled bunnies. I cannot remember if I got these at Target or I got these at Hobby Lobby. It's been a few years and it is escaping me at the moment. But I do like them here on this tray, along with this pineapple candle, which smells so good. This candle came from Home Goods a few years ago. I'm really loving this tray. I will try to link it for you. I don't know if it's still available because things with decor steels can go very quickly. It works really well on my table because my table is narrow and I'm always looking for trays that don't get in the way of you actually trying to sit down and eat. I did switch it around because it looks better this way from my living area. And that runner there is a gift that I got from my son one year. For the longest time, I have been wanting to do an inspirational tray. I have been wanting to acknowledge the resurrection at Easter time, and I have never found anything until this year that I really wanted to use. So I found this little set on Amazon, 4 pieces. It was like $12. It was really cheap. I do want to tell you about that little church there. It will not stand on its own, so you will need to lean that against something, just to let you know that. But I liked all 4 of the pieces that were in this set. Right there, those are some risers. Those are some wood pieces that you can get at Hobby Lobby, I believe. And I like to use those to raise different pieces up on a tray. But I have a hard time finding inspirational decor that I liked. And to be honest, I went looking at Hobby Lobby and I really just didn't see anything I liked this year. These 4 pieces, though, attracted my attention, and I felt they would go well with many things that I already had, and I felt they would go well with this styled tray that I have here too. This beaded tray, by the way, is also from Amazon, and I will have that linked below if you are interested. So I have these lights also from Hobby Lobby. I do feel like I am repeating myself. I love these lights. They're glass, they're not plastic, but I found they were a little heavy, so off they come. I really wanted to light this. Maybe I can find some fairy lights, but that's how it looks. Another idea that I have never done, but maybe sometime if I ever have grandchildren I will, is to make a resurrection garden. I do have a tutorial linked below that goes with this picture. I thought I would share that with you, but that would be another idea to do for an inspirational style decor piece. Okay, this is my white tray, also from Amazon, also will be linked below, and my ceramic chocolate bunnies from Hobby Lobby. I don't know if they have those this year. These are from a couple years ago. Now I'm taking the shamrock hydrangea here and I am splitting it up and I'm putting the pieces on the different levels of the tray. Now I do have to tell you, if you want to do something like this with hydrangeas like that, you make sure you want to use them on the day that you need to use them, like if you're doing a party or something, because the next day they were definitely shriveled up. So that's just a little bit of a warning about that. But again, I'm putting the carrots in there and we're just gonna play around with this a little bit and style it. I'm adding in my Ray Dunn pieces there. I thought they would look nice with that. The shamrock hydrangeas almost look like cabbage. I don't know, you can tell me what you think. If you've made it this far in the video, I really want to thank you for taking the time to watch it today. If you really enjoyed it, please consider liking the video or sharing it with someone else that you think might also enjoy it. Here's another video for you right here that you might be interested in. And I hope you have a wonderful week and I will see you next time. Bye now.